Which 85-inch TV is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, TCL 98-inch Q65 QLED. First up is the TCL 98-inch Q65 QLED 4K UHD Smart TV. Right off the bat, this massive screen caught my attention, and it's positioned as a more budget-friendly option compared to some competitors. If you want a stunning viewing experience without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 4K resolution means you can actually zoom in on details, like faces from a distance, which is perfect for those action-packed movie nights. The QLED technology brings vibrant colors to life, covering nearly the entire DCI-P3 color space. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you love watching sports or movies, you'll appreciate the rich colors and fine details that make everything pop. Now, I'll be real with you. Some users mentioned that the built-in sound wasn't the best. But here's the thing. If you're planning to connect a sound system or a soundbar, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a huge screen experience without the sky-high price tag. Skip this one if you're looking for top-tier audio performance right out of the box. Now, if that sound issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Samsung 75-inch QLED Q8F. Next is the Samsung 75-inch class QLED Q8F. What caught my eye here is its sleek and slim design, making it a stylish addition to any room. If you're after a mix of performance and aesthetics, this is a contender. This TV packs a punch with its 4K resolution and QLED technology, which delivers over 1 billion colors, even in bright scenes. Imagine watching your favorite shows in colors that are both vibrant and true to life. The AI-optimized sound and picture quality enhance your viewing experience, which is a big deal if you're a cinephile or gamer. Here's why that matters. With features like Motion Rate 240, you can enjoy smooth motion during fast-paced sports or gaming. However, some people have pointed out issues with glare on bright days. Here's the thing though, if you control the lighting in your viewing area, it can still provide an impressive experience. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish TV that performs well in varied lighting. Skip this one if you have a sun-drenched room with no shades. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize smart functionality. Product number 3, LG 75-inch QLED 85A. Now, let's talk about the LG 75-inch QLED 85A. This one caught my attention for its advanced AI technology that optimizes the picture and sound to match what you're watching. If you want a TV that learns and adapts, this is worth considering. The mini LED technology here provides better black levels and brighter colors, so scenes look more dynamic and engaging. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, you can expect smooth motion even during fast-paced action sequences. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're binge-watching or gaming, you'll notice the difference in fluidity and detail. But honestly, some users found the interface a bit complicated at first. However, if you're willing to invest a little time getting familiar with it, you'll unlock a lot of potential. This is perfect for you if you're a tech-savvy user who loves experimenting with settings. Skip this if you want something simple right out of the box. Now, if you're after smart features, the next product might catch your attention even more. Product number 4, Samsung 85-inch Q8F. Next up is the Samsung 85-inch class QLED Q8F. I was really impressed by its stunning picture quality that makes every movie night feel like a trip to the cinema. If you want an immersive viewing experience, this model should be on your radar. This TV boasts a 4K resolution and quantum HDR, delivering deep contrasts and vibrant colors. Plus, the 120 Hz refresh rate means that fast action scenes stay clear and smooth. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're into sports or video games, you'll love the fluid motion and clarity. However, some users have reported that the remote can be a bit confusing with its many functions. Here's the thing. Once you get used to it, the remote offers a lot of versatility. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality cinematic experience at home. Skip this if you prefer a simpler setup without a learning curve. Alright, that was a great choice for performance, but if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the last product on my list can help. Product number 5. Samsung 85-inch Q7F. Finally, we have the Samsung 85-inch Q7F. What makes this model stand out is its competitive pricing while still offering solid performance. If you're looking for a large screen without the hefty price tag, this is worth checking out. It features 4K resolution and quantum HDR, ensuring that you get a great visual experience. Here's why that matters. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or playing video games, you won't miss out on any details. However, some reviews mentioned limited gaming features compared to pricier models. But if you're not a hardcore gamer, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a big screen for family movie nights without overpaying. Skip this one if you're an avid gamer seeking the latest tech features. To wrap things up, each of these TVs has something unique to offer. Whether it's the budget-friendly TCL, the sleek Samsung models, or the advanced LG, there's an option here for everyone. So there you have it, 5 impressive 85-inch TVs to consider. From the budget-friendly TCL to the feature-packed Samsung options and the tech-savvy LG, each has its own strengths. Think about what matters most to you, be it price, picture quality, or smart features, and you'll find the perfect match for your home entertainment needs.